Okay, what's up YouTube? My name is Galen and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. If you have not already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It would definitely mean a lot to me. So today I will actually be going over my unboxing of my brand new OnePlus watch. I'm loving the packaging on this. So yeah, OnePlus released their first watch a few months back when they released the OnePlus 9 phone series. And I've been excited to get my hands on one since. I actually could not because they were just like not in stock at all. Like when they first came out, I ended up picking up something like at a similar price, the Amazfit GTR 2. But I just wanted to come back to this OnePlus watch because I was just like really curious to see what it's like. A lot of reviewers trashed it when it first came out because it just was not optimized well, but apparently updates have like fixed it a lot, and I just wanted to get my hands on it to see what it can do and how it stacks up to the Amazfit, or how it stacks up to like the actual premium smartwatches. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold you any longer. Let's just get into this unboxing. Okay guys, as you can see, I just got everything unboxed, and honestly that was definitely like one of the most premium unboxing experiences that I've ever like had on any wearable, probably the most premium. So that says a lot, especially for the price of the OnePlus watch being like half of what other wearables usually are. So great job OnePlus on the unboxing experience. So I'm just gonna go over everything that came in the box. So as you can see right here, you just get the safety and warranty information, and then here is a start guide. Okay, there's the watch again. Okay, and then you do get a warp charger. I'm really curious to see like how fast this will actually charge. I will like look at the specs again and let you guys know in a second. So now to the actual watch. The watch feels like really premium in the hand. It has like a more modern smartwatch look. It's not like a classic style like the Amazfit is. It's actually around the same size as the Amazfit, but the OnePlus watch is a lot heavier. I'll probably be doing a comparison video about these two watches because they are around the same price later on. But yeah, this is a lot like heavier than the Amazfit watch. It's a very hefty watch. I do like heavier watches just because I like having the watch feel like substantial on my wrist. But yeah, let me look at the sides. Yeah, this is the midnight black color. I was really upset about not being able to get the silver, but this midnight black still does look really good. Looks like the perimeter is like a steel gray type color. And then these bands actually feel really good. I really like the bands. These are like probably some of the better silicone bands that I've felt on any smartwatch. I just really like how it's textured and it has grooves in it. And then I do believe it has a 22mm quick release. Yeah, I think those are 22mm. So you'll be able to just like quickly release these and replace them with any bands that you want. So yeah, I did power it on, but it's telling me to download the OnePlus Health app from the Google Play Store. So I'll be doing that, and then I'll get back with you guys. Okay guys, so I just downloaded the OnePlus Health app. Basically you do need an account to get set up. And once you do that, it just asks for like your general information such as your birth date, your height, and your weight, so it can track your health data properly. I found out the hard way that they actually sent me like the Chinese version, which is what they were not supposed to send me. They're supposed to send me the global version. But after playing around with it, I was able to like flash the global version. So not everyone may want to do that. You may just want to send it back. I didn't feel like sending it back, so I just like manually flashed the global ROM on this OnePlus Watch. So yeah, there's that. I just got done with that. So yeah, I was able to pair it. There's going to be like a button on the front screen that just says add device, and you'll just choose your OnePlus Watch. It should come up automatically. So now I'm just giving it all of its permissions. Okay, giving it some notification access. I'm gonna keep it on my left wrist. Okay, now it's setting up. I'm gonna put it on a pause again and let you guys know how it goes. Okay guys, so I believe I have to return my OnePlus Watch. So I believe they sent me like the either the Indian or the Chinese version of this watch last night. I got it going a few hours because I tried to like download the global ROM on here and I thought it worked, but apparently not, because it went out while I was like sleeping, the connection anyway. So now whenever I try to pair it properly, it should be as simple as just pressing this add button. But let me just show you the error that I'm getting. So yeah, it does come up with the OnePlus Watch. It can see it, but pairing failed like automatically. I do believe that's due to some sort of like regional restriction. I have seen like some other people on Twitter with the same issue in which they sent out like the wrong region watch. So yeah, I hope to either return this or get it refunded. But I will just like talk about the experience I had while it was actually connected. Everything like seemed to be working fine, but my issue with this is that it did not have like nearly as many features as this watch at the same price. This is the Amazfit GTR 2. Yeah, right now it's dead because I was using this, but yeah, there's just like so many features, and I believe battery life will be around the same on these, but the Amazfit definitely outclassed the OnePlus Watch in terms of just like software and everything. OnePlus did not really have like a lot of things that you could change inside of the app. Amazfit had like way more. Like you could change like how your menu looked, you could change what cards you want to see when you swipe left or right. OnePlus didn't have any of that. They just had like what was set on the watch. You couldn't change anything on the watch pretty much. So yeah, the OnePlus watch definitely got beat by the Amazfit GTR 2 in terms of features and just like functionality. Again, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna like try to pick up another OnePlus watch just because of just how little it had. I thought it would be a more even competition. That's the main reason I picked it up, so I can compare these two. But Amazfit is absolutely killing OnePlus Watch in terms of just like software and functionality, and looks like connection too. So yeah, that's just my quick take on the OnePlus Watch. Again, I will be sending this back. I'll let you guys know if I just get a refund or if I pick up a updated model. So yeah, if you have any questions about my experience with the OnePlus Watch, feel free to leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.